This area belongs to dogs. They're starting the lights na, oh. If you want to steps here to massage your feet, you have to come over here. You have to massage your feet here. Wow. Quite beautiful. Ang sarap sa paa. Ang sarap sa paa niya. Massage. Oh. Nag-start na mag-ilaw, no? Napakalawak ng Waukesha Park. Meron pa doon, oh. Doon. Tapos yung skating doon, no, banda.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Oo nga, golf.
Ayun namang skating.
Tapos yung skating area. Ang ganda.
Kaya alam ko na maraming klase sa dito.
Kompleto siya. No? Baka ito swimming pool. Ay, di, garage.
What is all about Go Park Sasha? Ang Sasha po ay may spanning 1.3 million square feet at ito po ay located between Waukesha and Sai Kung Town Center. So, Sasha is a sports and commercial complex part of the latest integrated na mega development project dito sa Sasha at pinangungunahan ng Sai Hong Kai Properties. So, between Maocean and Three Bottoms Cove, Sasha is modern community of boundless discoveries. Just a short drive takes you to the nearby University of Waukesha MTR station with multiple bus and minibus routes to allow the seamless transition between nature in the city. Napakalaki po ng area nito, bagamat 1.3 million, talagang super. According to sa mga nalalaman natin before, so ito raw po yung Go Sasha is isang maliit na community lang, like small village, kasi po ito ay malapit nga sa dagat, like sa part ng ating video na pumunta po tayo sa tabing dagat, sa small village doon. So, ito ang bahagi nito ay dito lang sa ibaba ay napakalawak po ng espasyo ng parke at different kind of sports talaga yun nandito like golf, skating, swimming pool for children's playground, everything. May garage at syempre yung pinuntahan natin na complex ay yung commercial complex po ay hindi pa natin nararating yung itaas kasi dahil nga mainit, so yun ang ating last na pupuntahan. So yung Go Park Sasha po is new landmark that combines natures nga po at sport entertainment, dining, tapos may leisure experience. At mayroon silang ino-offer na diverse indoor and outdoor experiences ng ample open spaces and facilities for families and sports lovers. At syempre yung additional ng Go Park 2 which is direct connected to the Saisha, yung residential development na hindi pa natin napupuntahan. So that's why nakikita natin sa itaas ng first part ng ating video is yung mga new residential development kasi nga mga bago pa lang talaga natin silang nakikita dito. And according for that ay meron din po silang comprehensive mix of dining or retail, education, meron din silang healthcare services at meron silang design to meet the daily living wellness about the educational needs of local residents. Napakaganda ng kanilang samahan dito sa Go Park. So ito po ay pinangungunahan ng San Hong Kai Properties. So mga architecture, engineering po nagsama-sama para lang mapaganda itong Go Park Sasha or yung pinuntahan natin Go Park Aqua, the water sports na pinuntahan nating highlights. At napaka-unit ng coastal resources nila doon. Tapos may offers an extensive range of water sport events. Tapos may classes din and exciting excursion tours to the whole family na napuntahan natin sa ating third part ng ating Go Park Aqua.
May daan? Ano naman yan? May vlogger. Maganda ang ano niyan. Nakakabuhay yan. Ito yung maganda yan sa ano, sa paint.
Ang ganda talaga ng kadalo.
Kasi kanina kung nandito tayo, hindi natin iikot. Sa sobrang init ba?
Oo. So, ang ganda nito ang view dito. O, ganda o. Oo, kung dumaan tayo dito kanina.
Oh, sobrang init. Grabe, ang ganda.
Daming tao ngayon, di ba? May pailaw na.
Ito yung ganda ng bulaklak, oh. Napakalawak talaga, grabe. Hindi pa namin napuntahan yung kanya-kanyang area. Go Park. So, pupunta po kami ngayon doon sa taas. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe my channels and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa lahat ng ating mga videos. So, see you.